Hey there everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be drawing a Pokemon STARYU. So don't forget, like this channel and let's get started. To begin, we'll draw a circular shape in the middle of our page, just like this. We'll draw two lines out to the left, like this. Okay, and then we'll kind of join these together. And then we'll do the same over on this side, on the right. Just like this. Kind of join those together. Okay, and then we're going to draw two up here. And these are all going to be in line. So we're going to draw a star shape. So we'll do one here. Just like this. And we'll draw the other one down in this direction. Just like that. And then we'll draw one in the top right direction, like this. And then we'll come down over this way, down towards the left. Okay, so now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, and if you want to use your pencil, you can do that. What we'll do is we'll draw a circle. If this is the center point, we'll go in between these shapes like this, all the way through. I'm going to draw a line following that circle that we just drew, but I'm not going to connect and go all the way. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space like this. And the reason I'm going to do that is because from here, I'm going to come down like that, just like that. So I'm going to leave a little bit of a space, then we'll come down like this, and then we'll just keep doing that all the way around. And then what we can do is we can extend these lines closer to the center circle, and then we can create a second circular shape that kind of connects a few of these together like this. And then, you know, you can go around like that. Now from here, we'll create the star shapes that come off of this. So we'll start at the top, somewhere about here. So off center just a little bit, and then you'll come up. Okay, and then we'll come down right about here, like this. We'll round the top a little bit, and then we'll come down like that. This is going to actually have 5 pointed shapes. So we have one here, we'll have another one here, have another one here, one here, and one here. So we'll draw kind of a star shape like this. We're going to want to come down off of each one of these like this. Rough it in with your pencil. And then what you can do, you can take your Sharpie and fill these in. Just like that. You can add some details. And then in the center of our jewel in the middle here, we'll have some highlights. We'll put a small circle like this, and then we'll draw a little smaller one kind of right next to it. And then we want this to look like it's rounded, so we can draw a curve like that, and then we can do another one like this. And now we're all set. We can go ahead and color this in. So I'll speed up the camera while you can watch how I color this in. Hey everybody, we just finished our Staryu from Pokemon. Hope you liked the video. If you did, click that like button. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. That way you can see all of our upcoming videos. We do one every day, so don't want to miss it. All right, have a good one, and we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.